Okay, so reorder paragraph is about giving the passage correct order. It's about especially finding the topic sentence. Topic sentence is the first sentence of any passage. Topic sentence is not dependent on anything. It is not referring back to something. There is no use of pronoun in this, and this sentence is something which is a starter. Most of the time this sentence is a general statement, or sometime, as we mentioned, the idea of stylistic. We know that the writer is the writer or the author is the owner. Okay, they will decide what style they want to use. Okay, maybe they take something from very general to specific, or maybe specific to general. Okay, so from here we have two rules: general to specific and specific to general. Maybe they take something very generalized statement and take it to the very narrow down thing. Okay, and that is the most common way of writing. So most of the time your passages are general statements to specific statements, general to specific. Okay, and but there are cases when they give you specific to general as well. So when we say general to specific, we say it's a like this, where we have in the funnel we have this open side and then we narrow it down to the small part. Okay, and then we have the other ways around, where we have specific to journal movement, and that is less common, but again, this is one of the ways writers may go for. The your first sentence, it's not always a general statement or specific statement. Maybe they ask a question. The way we have public speakers, they usually ask a question which can actually bring more interest in you regarding that topic, and actually develop curiosity in you, so that you could you could probe more in detail about that topic. Let's suppose they're asking, um, do you want to see Pakistan as a beautiful country? So obviously you will say yes, we want to see it. So this then they will tell you different ways through which we can make you can make Pakistan beautiful. Okay, so they can ask a question, or they can make any statement, or they can simply say a general sentence or specific sentence. So they could be anything, but the first sentence is a starter. It's something which is initiating the conversation. It is something not referring back to something. It's not talking about something where we need the past to know what it is about. So there should not be any linguistic element in the first sentence referring to some ideas before. Okay, so that's kind of starter of conversation. Whenever you are done with topic sentence, the next thing that you have to do is to link sentences. So how you can link different sentences in your reorder paragraph? There are different ways. Obviously, sometimes we understand the concept very well and we don't need to the look for these strategies and tips, but sometimes we have to follow some tips and these things because we are not getting the content. So the second way of doing or dealing with the overall reorder paragraph is that we have to find different keywords in our reorder paragraph. Those keywords will give you an idea, will try to link one sentence to another sentence. Let's suppose I say in the first sentence they're talking about we got different diseases in after COVID, we got different diseases, different viral diseases. Okay, so first thing is after COVID scenario. The second is different diseases. The third is viral diseases. In viral diseases we have A, B, C. Okay, so we have different way of linking sentences. So this link is done with the help of different keywords we have. See, we say, okay, previously they talk about viral diseases, and they said those viral diseases are, so this is relating it to this one, and that they are saying viral diseases. In the viral diseases they are mentioning 1, 2, and 3. So they first talk about A and B, and then B and then C. So first it was A. So let's see, in the next sentence they will say A is caused because of this, and B is caused because of this, and C is caused because of this. So this is how you are linking different sentences. So this linking part may vary again. Sometimes the link is very direct link, so you directly have a direct clue to link, and sometimes you have indirect way of linking as well. You say, okay, word is not mentioned but the idea is mentioned here, so this is the right second sentence. And one more thing is that in reorder paragraph you are going to get score not for your overall arrangement of the passage, rather you are going to get score for each pair. Okay, so overall you got 5 sentences, which means you got 3 pairs, so you will get 3 score. In reorder paragraph, as you have less time and this question is not really important, and if you feel like you're not really good in this, because I notice students are mostly complaining about this question that they are not able to do well on time. If you face a problem like this, at least you have to try to find one pair in your answer, if not the whole sequence of the passage. Try to find at least one, the one would say one pair. One more thing I noticed, it was not previously clear for me, but with time when I practice more on reorder thing, I got to know that they usually find research pattern. So they usually find what we called it, research pattern कहेंगे या they usually have research elements. रिसर्च एलिमेंट्स कहेंगे या रिसर्च प्रोसेसेस कहेंगे, ये क्या होता है? So there's a proper process that usually we follow for any research paper. I once shared a photo in group. Okay, this is, I believe, is clear. So first we have abstract, not abstract, this is what we write, but normally we have first, um, we have an idea in our mind, a hypothesis, something that we want to really work on, something that we want to explore. And considering the idea, we will go for what? We'll go to do some literature review on the topic. Okay, so this is the way of writing, but the way of conducting it is different. So what we do first, we have hypothesis, we have an idea in mind, like let's suppose researchers thought, why not to scientists thought, why not to explore that what is the real cause of COVID-19. So this is an idea in their mind that they really want to explore this. After this, they will have some literature review, because we cannot just jump to any research, we have to do some literature review. So how my research is related to other, why this is a gap area, what I can do more, what is the gap, how I can fill in that gap. So this is literature review, when you read work of other writers working in that particular field. After this, you look at the you look at the method, that how, if you conduct this research, what is the way of conducting it. Okay, so I'll take my data from this and I'll use this theory, and then I'll apply this analytical tool, and this is how I'll get results. So there's a mind map in your with you that you have to follow. So that is your method, your methodology, your method of doing or conducting the whole research. After that, your first, again, the after method, your process would start with data collection. So you would say, we have collected data of 50 samples of patients from this hospital. So that is your data collection. After data collection, you will do the process on your data. Okay, after the process on the data, you will get some results, and those findings then you will discuss, and then you give your you will give some implications from this finding, that this is what we can learn from our findings. So mostly in a reorder paragraph, they follow the research sequence, okay, most of the time. Or sometimes they follow the sequence as they ask a question, they raise a question, and then they try to find solution to that problem. Sometimes they ask question, they give answer, then they ask next question, then they give next answer. So this is how they keep on doing. So these are a few things that you need to keep in mind. One more thing I notice in your reorder is your time. I'm not saying it's always past, present, or future. I'm not saying it's always present, future, and past. Like, it is not fixed, but time is one element. Time is something that can give you some hints regarding what should be the first sentence, what should be the second sentence, and what should be the third sentence. So time is an element, important element. Just like we watch movies, and sometimes the movie will give you some future scenario, and then it will take you back to the past and then present, or sometimes they will tell you the present and then go to the past and then come back to present again and then future. So it could be anything, any writing could have any way of any style of going with the present, past, or future. The time is one element that you can keep in mind. Maybe you can look at the date and progress of from one event to another event. So this could be one thing. So yes. So these are a few things that you have to keep in mind. If I could recall anything other than this, I'll let you know. But I believe while practicing, we can figure out some more rules. Okay, one more thing is transition devices. So transition devices are something very important you have to keep in mind all the time. Like, however, um, therefore, conversely, additionally, moreover, therefore, thus, hence. These are the words you must be knowing. The major differences, I would say, not very, very minor. It's fine if you don't know. Major differences you must know so that you could link sentences. Most of the time, not always, but most of the time, your however is at the end. Okay, however is usually at the end. They give the however, the otherwise scenario. So yes, this is how we do. Okay, so let's try. Are you clear about these rules, or if you have any question, or if you have to add anything?
Yeah, it is clear till now. After the practice, we will learn the more.
Okay, any other student with any other? Anything to ask? Okay, don't sleep, please. Don't sleep today. Okay, can we choose something very easy from this? Something very easy, something your topic of interest, something you could easily relate to.
Three tables. Two.
Restaurant.
Last one,
Rest.
restaurants. Brain
Sea
function.
turtles is not easy. Choose something easy. Restaurants, piano, ventures,
Got
Heart,
Heart attack.
heart
Heart
attack.
attack.
heart attack. Okay, I believe it's easy. So whenever you look at any reordered paragraph, पहले जो आपने काम करना है, you have to try to find a sentence which is the topic sentence. So आपने देखना है which sentence is not dependent on anything. So without the normal blood flow, who is it? Not clear. So let's put it below. So it can never be the first sentence. The clot in blood vessels will block blood flow. This could be a sentence. Heart attack is caused by the sudden blockage of coronary artery by a blood clot, and when the clot is formed, it will stay. So it will stay. Could be first sentence. Considering these three sentences, which sentence you feel like is the first sentence?
three.
Three. When the clot is formed, it will stay in the blood vessels.
3.
Three. Three is the first.
Three means number three or three
Number three.
arrangement.
Number
Three.
three.
Number 3.
Okay,
Number
when the
3.
clot is formed, it will stay in the
Heart
blood
attack.
vessels. Okay. What should be the next sentence?
When when the
Yes.
when the clot is formed, it will stay in the blood vessels.
This is first sentence. We are done with it. How you will join with it?
No, first sentence,
saying
No,
heart
it's
attack
not
is
first
caused by
sentence.
the first sentence might be the heart attack is
Heart
caused
attack
by
is caused by
sudden blockage.
This is first sentence.
Yes.
First
Because this is
sentence.
something which is giving you the general idea of
Yeah.
heart attack, which is caused by the sudden blockage of coronary artery by a blood clot. So this is
Yes.
giving you a general statement, maybe. But it depends how you link sentences.
Yes. Next one is the clot in blood vessels will block blood flow. Next.
Okay,
After heart
let
attack.
me tell you, you have to mention these numbers, like 4,
Two.
2, 1. These numbers you have to mention so that it's
Two.
easier for us.
After three, two. And
Okay. The heart attack is caused by this blockage of artery by a blood clot. The clot in blood vessel will block blood flow. So when the clot is formed, then it will block flow. So I think 4
Fourth
should
one will be
logically come
second one.
before
4
2.
1 is, yes, 4.
Okay. Without the and Asma, what is your arrangement?
3, 4, 1 and 2.
Why 1 and 2? Can you read 2 and 1 and then 1 and 2 and see which one should logically come first?
Because when the clot is formed, uh, connect to the sentence number 3. And without the normal blood flow, it causes muscle contraction
No,
and all the.
let me tell you, when the clot is formed, it will stay in blood vessels. When it will stay in blood vessel, it will block blood flow. When it will block
These
blood
are
flow, then we'll
pairs.
talk about the further arrangement that without the normal blood flow, because it's blocked. So now we're talking about the further scenario. जो आप कह रही हैं उसमें यह है कि पहले वो एग्जाम दे के आ जाएगा, फिर हम लिखेंगे वो एग्जाम सेंटर जा रहा है. सो दैट विल बी वन सेंटेंस विल बी लॉजिकली आउट देन. So when first clot will form, it will strain blood vessels, then it will block the flow, then we'll talk about further. We'll say without the normal blood flow, it will cause muscle contractions. This is how you link. 3, 4, 2, 1. Okay, let me drag it above. Now choose any other number. One more number. TV programs. The challenge did not deter IU students. What is the challenge? It's not clear, so I believe this sentence should not be the first sentence.
On numerous days.
Okay, just choose sentences which can never be the first sentence. Only enlist sentences which can never be the first sentence. Yes.
The second might be the first.
Okay, so it is starting with the challenge. So which means the challenge is already very much clear and obvious to the reader and the learners. So normally we don't start with the most of the time, because the requires the understanding of that thing to the reader. In our case, we need to introduce something to say the something. Okay, so the challenge, it must be clear in your mind. So do you know what's the challenge? No. So I believe it's this sentence should not be the first sentence.
Can
Yes.
4, 1,
four,
4 is the
fourth one
one.
is
I think
1%.
Okay,
4 is the
sometimes you get more than two sentences that you feel like logically and not logically, grammatically could be the first sentence. फिर उसमें आपको चूज करना होता है the most probable one. जो हमने रीडिंग मॉड्यूल और रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग में बात की थी कि it's not about choosing right and wrong, rather it's about choosing what is the most probable in the given condition. So sometimes you have to choose with respect to the probable and not probable. So all these things are related to recycling electronic waste. So first we'll talk about the recycling electronic waste, which is such as old computer, TVs, and monitor, is a daunting challenge, which consider how much technology we all use today. Okay, what should be the next sentence?
Number 1.
1. The challenge did not deter IU students who persuaded the IU technology department to launch its electronic waste collection days program. Okay, maybe they are saying that it's a very major challenge considering how much technology we use today. So it's a very major challenge coming from the recycling electronic waste. But this is not a major challenge for students of IT department. Why it is not a challenge? Then why it is not a challenge, maybe we'll answer this in our next coming lines. What should be the next sentence now? Why this challenge did not deter IU students? What is the answer? Can you
the
read next
second one.
lines? In the
Second one.
second line, the answer is, on numerous days throughout the year, students, faculty, and staff can drop off their old equipment to be completely recycled. Nothing end up in landfills. So that is the reason this is not a challenge for them, because they are really, really aware of the recycling thing. And collection days netted more than 50,000 pounds of waste in 2010. Okay, this is the estimate number considering the whole scenario they are giving at the end. This is this much the number they were able to, like they were able to recycle maybe. Yes, I think they netted would be used in the given sentence as something recycled. So collection date netted more than 650,000 pounds of waste in 2010. So why 3 is the last sentence?
Mentioning
Yes.
the figures estimated.
Yes, considering the whole scenario, the challenge, and why it is not a challenge, how they are dealing with it, the last sentence is actually the giving more proof to justifying the whole scenario, that this is the number they have, they were able to do in the year 2010. So 4 1 2 3, let's go to medium. थोड़ा जल्दी नहीं हो गया medium? Let's practice in all categories because otherwise we have less choices. Yes, choose any. Design of keyboard, ethical consideration, success.
Computers. Cup.
Computer science.
Cup, books, future of books, cup. So its design can never be the first sentence. Therefore, can never be the first sentence. The material of a cup can vary from ceramics, glass, plastic, metal. This. Okay, so the material of the cup, it feels like he has already mentioned about the something that he's specifying more here. So it can be the first sentence. I'm not saying it's never be the first sentence, but most of the time something starting with the refers to something which is already shared before. So it talks about the shared knowledge of speaker and listener. So yes, so our first sentence logically is,
First sentence.
first sentence is
First
first. The
sentence.
cup is a small
Sentence.
cylindrical, yes, vessel which is used for drinking liquid, all these things. What should be the next sentence, and why and how?
Second one.
Second one.
Its design include handle.
It design include handle, or that is something to hold it comfortably. The material can vary from this to this and temperature this. Therefore, the choice of countries offered determine the beverages it's intended for.
हो गया मैम.
Okay, when you repeat say your last sentence, is it more related to two or is it more related to the type of material we have?
Type of material.
Type of material. So logically, it should be 1 2 4 3. Okay. Try one more from this.
Computers.
Okay.
Diet of
Computers.
sharks.
Okay. Computers कर लेते हैं. As a result, किसका result we don't know. This could be the introduction of hard disk drives and later ways the evolution of computer. Early computer relied on punch card and also the magnetic tape for storage, which were limited in capacity and speed. Which sentence should come? The evolution of computer storage has dramatically changed how we use and think about data. The introduction of hard disk drives and later solid drives offered much later storage capacity. And okay, which sentence is more generalized? I believe the 4 one is more going in depth. So this could, I believe, should not be the first sentence. I'm confused regarding 1 and 2. Can you read 1 and 2 and see which one is more general statement?
One is,
1 is general statement.
I think,
On next second, the evolution of computer storage had dramatically changed how we use and think about data. ये थोड़ी ज़्यादा generalized नहीं है, because in the next line we came into more in depth into the data and use of data. Okay, let's highlight different words we have in this that can help us to know whether it's इन डेप्थ और जनरलाइज स्टेटमेंट। अब इसके अंदर क्या बात हो रही है? दिस इज टॉकिंग अबाउट इवोल्यूशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर स्टोरेज। इट इज यूज अबाउट it's about how we use and think about it. ठीक है? So these are two things in this line. What things we have in this? Here we have computer, punch card, magnetic tape for storage. So which means this is more in depth. The 3.3.1 is a generalized statement overall talking about the how evolution has changed the usage of computer. So this should come first, I believe. Okay. And what should next come next? अब इसमें हम फर्दर नैरो डाउन करते जा रहे हैं. यहाँ हम टॉकिंग अबाउट अर्ली कंप्यूटर एंड व्हाट आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स वी फाइंड देयर एंड देन वी टॉक अबाउट द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ हार्ड डिस्क. तो पहले बात हुई ओवरऑल द यूज ऑफ computer, then we talked about early computer, then we talked about one aspect of computer, that is hard disk. Okay,
3142, it will be fine.
1.2.
and as a result these advancement all you have from early to modern time, the use of storage and all that have enabled the vast array of applications and services we use today, from cloud computing to multimedia streaming. 3142. Okay, यहाँ से choose any please. Renaissance, plate tectonics,
Lost City.
Social control.
lost city.
Quality education.
Okay, next time. Okay, some believe it to be purely mythical. So who are some people? We don't know. Despite expensive research, the exact location of remains uneven, which means the something is already happening and you're adding more to this. He described, who is the person? Okay, I believe first is the first sentence. The lost city of Atlantis is a legend first mentioned by the philosopher Plato. What should be the next sentence?
He described it.
Second.
He described it
Second
because
sentence.
he है तो most probably
He
he is referring
described.
to pronoun. So he described it as an advanced civilization that disappeared into the ocean overnight.
And then 3.
Despite.
Some believe it to be purely mythical.
Yeah.
Okay, let's read both and see which one should come first. He described it as advanced civilization that disappeared into the ocean overnight. ठीक है? ठीक है. About the city of Atlantis. Despite extensive research, the exact location of Atlantis remains unknown. Some believes, हाँ, ठीक है. So that is 4-3 combination. Some believe that it's mythical. Some other believe it's about speculate. It could be based on the real submerged city. So this is adding to this point. So there are two viewpoints coming from this. So it's unknown. So what are different people have speculations? The first speculation is purely mythical. The other speculation is that it's based on real submerged city. So these are two possible reasons people have in their mind when it comes to the exact location of Atlantis, that why it remains unknown. Please let me know if things are making sense to you, क्योंकि यहाँ तो आपको समझ आ जाता है, फिर घर में समझ नहीं आता. So you have
भी आ सकता है ना?
हैं?
और
क्या चीज?
4334 भी आ सकता है ना?
एक सेकेंड. ओके, वेट.
क्योंकि डिस्प्लेट एक्सटेंसिव कंक्लूजन के तरफ भी बोल सकता है ना?
Yes.
क्योंकि ओवरनाइट में डिसअपियर हो गया,
अच्छा,
थोड़ा आदमी लोग
ठीक है.
ऐसा,
अब
सम पीपल
देखिए, ठीक
बिलीव
है, मैं
ऐसा है,
बताती हूँ, मैं
फिर
रीड करती हूँ. फैसल मैं अभी रीड करती हूँ. He described it as advanced civilization that disappeared into the ocean overnight. Some believe it to be. अब some believe, किस चीज़ का believe is not really clear. But when I add this line before, तो फिर जब मैं कहती हूँ some believe it to, तो वो पता लग जाता है कि it's talking about the location of Atlantis, कि उसमें people के क्या believe हैं. Are you getting my point?
One more time, please.
Play again. Okay, I'm saying K. When I read this line, he described it as an advanced civilization that disappeared into the ocean overnight. ठीक है? When I say this line, then I say some believe it to be purely mythical. ठीक है? तो अब अगर ये लाइन बोलती हूँ, ठीक है, सो इसका some belief के साथ कोई there is no relationship with some beliefs, like what believes. people have. But if I read this line, despite extensive research, the exact location of Atlantis remains unknown. Then, and I say some beliefs, then
वो
it
ठीक
feels
है, 4-3
like
में कनेक्शन मेरे को समझ गया, फिर
okay,
2 और 4 में समझ नहीं आ रहा है, क्योंकि डिस्क्राइब एडवांस्ड
ठीक है,
डिसअपीयर ओवरनाइट।
ठीक है। अगर आपको इसमें समझ नहीं आया, व्हाट अदर पॉसिबिलिटी यू हैव इन माइंड?
नहीं, अभी आप बोलने के बाद ओके, डिस्प्लेट वो 4 और 3 का कनेक्शन समझ आ गया,
ठीक है।
फिर 2 से 4
और
गया ना वो।
हाँ, वो नहीं है रिलेशनशिप, लेकिन हमने पेयर्स में जोड़ लिया, बिकॉज अदरवाइज देयर इज नो पॉसिबिलिटी। अब मैं 4 और 3 को ऊपर भी ले जाऊंगी तो ही कब मिस हो जाएगा। तो इट मीन्स अभी जहाँ पे चीजें हैं यहाँ पे द बेस्ट पॉसिबल है, क्योंकि प्लेटो के साथ ही शुरू हुआ है, डिस्पाइट के साथ ये लगा है, और ये इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, तो इसको शुरू में आना है, तो यही फिर 1 2 4 3 बनता है। देयर इज नो अदर पॉसिबिलिटी। योर पॉइंट इज राइट दैट देयर इज नो
ओके।
कनेक्शन बिटवीन 2 and 4, बट उसके अलावा हमारी कोई और पॉसिबिलिटी है भी नहीं। सो वी डोंट हैव एनी अदर पॉसिबिलिटी इफ यू डोंट गो विद दिस पॉसिबिलिटी।
ओके।
Okay, please choose any other number, not from this, from this. Mimesis, human shoulders.
Urban geography.
किधर है?
512. Can you try 512?
Chimpanzee bonobo.
5 1 2। ये डिफिकल्ट नहीं करना, ये तो मुझे बोलना भी नहीं आ रहा। व्हाट इज दिस? आई थिंक दिस अ नेम ऑफ एनी पर्सन।
That's why I chose it.
सो इट्स इजी। हिज मदर, हुज मदर, इट्स नॉट क्लियर। और कौन से हाउवर भी नहीं हो सकता। द इंस्टीट्यूशन में many artists that military work for this. So ये भी नहीं लग रहा logically. So we are left with 2 sentences. Can you read these 2 sentences and let me know which should be the first sentence?
3.
I read it.
3.
You all have to read.
When
3.
3 is
Born
the
in
first.
Omaha.
Born in Omaha, Nebraska. Right? Yes, 3 is the first sentence.
3 is the first.
3. He was born in this area. He spent most of his early years growing up in the city of Oklahoma, something like that. Okay, what should be the next sentence then?
1.
1.
1.
Okay. Introduce him to appreciation of music, literature or art. इतनी जल्दी उसको उस पे डाल दिया. Okay. Applied to art school. His Acha, introduce him to appreciation. Okay, like maybe she used to play at home and she used to tell him some stories, so used to let him know to appreciate the art, music, and other things. Okay, then what should be the next sentence? When he applied to art school, he a strict Roman Catholic father was disappointed.
However.
4.
However, he changed his mind when California's Art Institute accepted his son. The institute, okay, the institute graduated many artists that ultimately work for Walt Disney. So this is the last extra information. So how things are linked here? How things are linked here? First, things are linked with the aspect of his birth. So the birth, and then first early introduction of these things at home. Later on, he applied for the art school. So there is one problem here. Maybe we'll resolve this problem somewhere. He changed his mind. So this is an abruptly, I would say, following line in they are going for the resolution of that problem. So he changed his mind when California's art school accepted his son. Then this is an additional information that institute many artists that ultimately work, so which is maybe giving us some hint regarding whether that person was able to work for the Walt Disney or not. So this is an additional information. So is it clear why we are
So
putting this as the last sentence?
Fourth one is the will be last sentence as it is additional information, not
Yes.
connected with the other one.
Additional भी है, and it's, I would say, not direct linked, but it's a kind of adding more or giving the future implications. अब वो स्कूल में पढ़ रहा है, अभी उसको ये नहीं बताया कि अच्छा उसने इतने अरसे पढ़ा, फिर प्रैक्टिस की, फिर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए, फिर उसने प्रोफेशनल एजुकेशन की, और फिर वो एक अच्छा आर्टिस्ट बना, ठीक है। वो सारी बात को समराइज करके एक सेंटेंस में दे आर गिविंग सम हिंट्स रिगार्डिंग दैट, गिविंग द इम्प्लीकेशंस एंड फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव बाय टेलिंग दैट द इंस्टीट्यूट ग्रेजुएट मैनी आर्टिस्ट। इससे ये पता लगा कि जो बंदा था वो एक बाद में एक आर्टिस्ट बना, मे बी इट्स एन इम्प्लीकेशन दैट अल्टीमेटली वर्कड फॉर वॉल्ट डिज्नी। So ये ऐसे sentences normally we put at the end.
Okay, right.
So that's on future implications, giving an additional information about the institute, what is the worth and importance or significance of that institute for art, because he has applied to that institute for art. So ये भी एक reason हो सकता है. 3, 1, 2, 5, 4. Okay, let's try some difficult. Okay, choose any.
Seasonal changes.
Why did you choose boring topics? Okay, seasonal changes. Subsequently, one after another, it can never be the first sentence. Yet is not the first sentence. This cycle is also not the first sentence. Now we are left with two sentences. Temperature region, many plants undergo a dormant period in winter and seasonal changes significantly affect plants' life. Which one should you feel like is more journal statement and more good for a starter, as a
Number
starter?
5.
Fifth,
Five.
fifth
Five.
one is first.
Okay. Can you find some more pairs here? In temperature region, many plants undergo a dormant period in winter. Subsequently, they bloom in spring when conditions are more favorable. Is there any connection? Yet, climate change is altering these seasonal change, impacting plant. I believe this should be the last sentence because this is something telling the future implication and aspects. And then this cycle allows, kaun sa cycle? So maybe 4 ko you need to put somewhere else.
Four should be after the three. 3 and 4 will be the pair.
3 and
4
4.
can be after first
Two,
one.
2 and 4 may be the pair because they
2
are
and
saying
4.
about the seasonal cycle.
Yes. Fiza, what possibility you have?
A time period mentioned the dormant winter and the climate change.
Hmm.
This show the cycle.
Okay, so you're saying after 3 there should be 4?
Yes, 3 and the 4
In
are pair.
temperate regions, many plants undergo a dormant period in winter. This cycle allows plants to conserve energy during harsh conditions. Okay, this is very good combination. Now read with the other one. In temperate regions, many plants undergo a dormant period in winter. Subsequently, they bloom in winter when conditions are more favorable. This cycle allows plants to conserve energy during harsh conditions. ठीक है, अब जब मैं इसको 1 को आफ्टर 3 if I add 1 it will tell the whole cycle how it works. ठीक है, so first I know they undergo a dormant period. Okay, but no worries, because of that, as a result of it, subsequently coming after that they bloom in spring. अब ये पूरा साइकिल है, फिर आप कहेंगे दिस साइकिल अलाउज. ठीक है, इफ आई से इन टेम्परेट रीजन मैनी प्लांट्स अंडरग्रो अ डोर्मेंट पीरियड, दिस साइकिल अलाउज प्लांट्स टू कंजर्व एनर्जी ड्यूरिंग हार्श कंडीशन, फिर मुझे वो सब्सिक्वेंटली कहने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली वन दे विल बी एबल टू कंजर्व सम एनर्जी कंजर्व एनर्जी ड्यूरिंग हार्श कंडीशन, सो ऑब्वियसली दे विल बी यूटिलाइजिंग दैट एनर्जी इन द स्प्रिंग. तो वो ऑब्वियस हो जाएगा, फिर ये सेंटेंस मीनिंगलेस हो जाएगा. So this is the right place of that sentence, this sentence. Are you getting this point?
Yes, I get it.
ठीक है, so this is the whole cycle. सारा साइकिल बता के वो कहेंगे this cycle allows plant to conserve more energy, yet climate is altering these changes, impacting plant growth and survival. So this is the last sentence giving. Okay, one more thing regarding reorder, and I have mentioned already this in your notes I have shared. Your last sentence is solution, findings, resolution, remedies, conclusion, implications, future perspective. So these things you may find in your last sentence. जो last sentence होता है ना, वो चीज़ों को end करता है, एक solution देता है, remedies बताता है, problem को solve कर देता है, जो बहुत बड़ा climax आया होता है उसको resolution की तरफ ले जाता है. Okay, this was quite easy. Okay, choose any other.
Mayan civilization, 658.
Of online education.
658.
Why you go for always something boring? Mayan civilization. Okay, however, theories range for theories. Kiski theories? Not clear. I believe it should not come. The cause of this collapse. Which collapse? So the first is first. The Mayan civilization, known for its advanced writing, mathematics, and astronomical systems, abruptly declined in the 9th century. Okay. What should be the next joining sentence? Okay, if you're not able to find the overall sequence, just find one pair. The
Theories
lack
range
of
from
evidence
Theories
means.
range from inward aggression to warfare and political upheaval.
Theories range from किस चीज की theories? So it should come here. The cause of this collapse are still debated among scholars. So there are different debates happening. Let's suppose the scholar one is saying that it's collapsed because of World War One. The other saying no, it's collapsed because of the lack of technology. The third is saying it's because of the lack of awareness of this subject matter. So they have different theory. They have different debates among them. And theories range from environmental degradation. So ये theories क्या है? Reasons हैं. They have different debates. So in debates they got different reason. One is giving like it's saying the environmental degradation is accountable or responsible for this. The other saying no, warfare is responsible for thing. And third is saying no, a political upheaval is something responsible for this collapse. So these are three different theories. So this is how you have linked it. I hope you are getting this.
Yes.
Okay, are you all are getting this? Faisal, Zishan, you are getting this?
yeah.
And Judisa, you are getting this? Some of you are actually sleeping. Acha. So they are saying the cause of this is debated. Ab debate mein there are different reasons. First debate mein reason ye hai. The other is saying no, this is let's suppose. The third is saying let's suppose this is. तो ये क्या है? Different theories हैं जो उनके among debate हो रही है. ठीक है? फिर they are saying however. The lack of definite evidence means like the lack of this getting the right answer to this question means that the exact reasons are still unknown.
Ma'am, it always work. The however will be the last sentence.
Not always. This is how we usually find in reorder paragraph, but not always the case. But however का मतलब ये है कि जो एक सिनेरियो जो जा रहा है उसे थोड़ा सा कॉन्ट्रोडिक्ट और अदर वे राउंड करके बताना कि चाहे बहरहाल जो भी हो, इस सेंस में हम इसको कहते हैं. ठीक है? बहरहाल जो भी हो, जो एक्चुअल एविडेंस ना मिलने का मतलब है कि उनको मेन वजह पता ही नहीं है. ठीक है? तो ये उस सेंस में है. हाउएवर यूजुअली यू फाइंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड.
Most of
You
the time, yes, it will be the last sentence because of it show the results and findings and
अदर वे राउंड
to
सिनेरियो
sum up
एक
the graph.
यस एक चीज चल रही होगी ना तो वो उससे कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट कर, लेकिन कहीं किसी और तरह की कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन भी है. जैसे एक चीज जा रही है वो
सेकंड वाले फोर्थ को सेकंड क्यों बनाया?
सारे तो वही तो बताया इतनी देर. Okay, let me tell you again. They're saying that the Mayan civilization, which is known for its advanced writing, mathematics, and this text abruptly declined in the 9th century. So that abrupt decline is the main thing should be debated here. So they are saying जो cause है इस collapse की, decline की, it's debated among scholars. ठीक है. और उनकी जो
Okay.
डिबेट्स हो रही हैं वो रेंज कर रही हैं.
Collapse
कोई
is
कह रहा
decline.
है कि एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन की वजह से हो गया है, कुछ कहता है नहीं जो डिक्लाइन पॉलिटिकल की वजह से हो गया है. सो ये सारी चीज़ें चल रही हैं, विच मीन्स दे डोंट नो द रीजन, दे आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट दिस.
Okay, okay. Actually, the cause of collapse is decline of the 19th century.
ओह. नहीं. Cause of there is an abrupt decline in 9th century and they are trying to find कि क्यों हुआ वो डिक्लाइन जो
क्योंकि
9th
पेयर भी तो
century.
बनाना है ना, आप कहेंगे पेयर बनाएंगे ना हम.
Yes, the cause of this collapse are still debated. कि जो 9th century में the collapse we are trying to figure out it, and scholars are working on this and they are working or debating.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Okay, any other?
Six, four, one.
641. अच्छा. Free will. Conversely, it debates. Okay, these two sentences could be first sentence. Can we choose any sentence among them as the first sentence?
2 is the one.
Yes, 2 is 7.
Free will is a fundamental philosophical question concerning human autonomy and responsibility. Okay. And the other is philosophers like Kant have argued in favor of free wills, asserting it necessary for this. Conversely, determinants. So ये दोनों collocate दोनों जो है वो अच्छे पेयर भी बन गए. ये क्यों नहीं ऐड हो रहा? Okay. So I believe this is how we can link. But what about the last sentence?
Please zoom in the page. It's not clear for me. Okay.
What one is last?
Mm, it debates whether human. Okay, there are two conditions. The one is philosopher like Kant have argued in favor of this. ठीक है. फिर conversely, determinant have believed that all events, human actions are determined by preceding causes. ठीक है. तो ये जो free will की theory है वो ये कहता है कि human beings have free wills to decide anything they like. फिर उसके जो opposite है, opposition वाले कहते हैं कि your human actions are determined by preceding causes, like it's already decided. So ये debate एक free will की है. So overall, it debates whether human actions are self-determined or predetermined by external factors. Self-determined but predetermined. तो हम इसको इधर ऊपर लेके जा सकते हैं. That's the main debate. Instead of putting it at the end. Do you agree?
Yes.
At least disagree if you don't agree with it, but do speak. Okay, so free will is a fundamental philosophical question which is concerning human autonomy and responsibility. Okay, so it debates whether human actions, this is the main thing. ठीक है. ओवरऑल इसकी मेन क्या चीज़ है कि डिबेट करती है. It debates human actions, whether human actions are self-determined, whether those are predetermined by external factors. So these are two beliefs they have. Okay. अब इसमें किसका कौन सा बिलीव है? तो फिलोसफर जिसमें ये लोग हैं, दे हैव इन फेवर ऑफ फ्री विल्स. ऑन द अदर हैंड डिटर्मिनेंट जो हैं वो दूसरे के हैं कि ह्यूमंस आर डिटर्मिन्ड बाय प्रीसीडिंग कॉजेज. तो ये जो ऊपर वाली चीज़ें हैं ये इन्होंने नीचे रिलेट करके हमें बताई हैं. सो ये सेल्फ डिटर्मिन्ड वाले हो गए और ये प्री डिटर्मिन्ड वाले हो गए. ठीक है. सो दीज आर टू टाइप्स. ओके, it's very clear. Okay, let's discuss one more. Choose from this.
Antibiotic resistance. Okay.
Antibiotic resistance. और
The previous one.
एक मिनट, मार्च में से कोई देख लेते हैं. Understanding differences, unprecedented, belief, false memories, little consequence, keep quiet, employers,
Employers.
बोरिंग. मुझे पता होता है
Yes.
जो सबसे बोरिंग होगा वो कुछ चूज कर लेगा. Okay. I think it's very clear, but they and they can never be the first sentence. So this is our first sentence. So this is our topic sentence. Employers are often reluctant to hire young people, even though they are more than 850,000 unemployed 16 to 24-year-olds and UK business are struggling to fill 1 in 5 vacancies because of skills shortages. But I don't know why they are often reluctant to hire them. They can be, but a growing number of companies are setting schemes and they are skeptical about their skills. So I believe this reason should come next. Why they are not
Second
hiring
one.
them? So one may ask a question that's a very
Yes,
obvious
3
question.
will come.
Yes, so they are skeptical about their skills and their readiness for work. So कहते हैं कि you have to give us job for experience, but then they said no, bring experience for job. So
मैम
ये
इसमें
वाली
सेकंड
debate.
वाला नहीं होगा आफ्टर 4?
4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Second one, if you go with the second one, can you relate second one? But a growing number of companies are setting up scheme to recruit young people. अब you do three, and I believe this should come next because three is telling you the reason why they are not hiring. क्योंकि अगर ये sentence हम इधर नहीं लगाएंगे, it will not make any sense anywhere else.
ओके.
ठीक है. So why they are not hiring them? क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि उनकी skills अच्छी नहीं है और उनको काम का इतना experience नहीं है. फिर क्या हुआ है? But a growing number of
4,
companies are
3, 2,
setting up
1.
schemes to recruit them, young people, young workers. They can be surprised by the results. And so, who can be surprised? The growing number of companies will be surprised by the results. Maybe they have very good outcomes, and maybe they don't have. ये तो easy था. Just one more because we have 1 minute. Okay, please choose any. Can we go with false memories?
Yes.
Okay, of course.
Second.
This put. ये 3 हो गए. अब 2 रह गए. ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ये भी गया. तो फिर 2. False memories are constructed by combining actual memories with the content of suggestions received from others. Okay.
Then first one will come.
During the process, people may forget the source of the information. Okay. Okay.
Then fourth will come. This is a
Fourth,
classic
this is a
example.
classical example of source confusion. अच्छा ठीक है, source से source link हुआ. In which the content and source become dissociated. Yes. We had this concept in our NLP where we say that sometimes we have information but you don't know the source, and sometimes you know the source but you don't have any information about the source. So things are disassociated. What should be the next sentence? I believe 1, 4 are good pair. Of course, because we can implant fast childhood memory in some childhood in no way implies that because we can implant false childhood memory in some childhood in no way implies, क्या implies करता है, that all memories that arise after suggestions are necessarily false. Put another way, so just say the same thing in another word. Although experimental work on the creation of false memories may raise doubt about the validity of long buried memories such as repeated trauma, it's no way disapprove them. So this is just way of saying this 3, whatever they have mentioned in 3 in the 5 sentence once again in another word. Is it clear? Especially, are you clear about the first 3? And the last two,
Yes.
लास्ट टू कुछ नहीं समझ आ रही कि कैसे रिलेट कर रहे हैं.
okay, do you have any other? लास्ट टू में सिर्फ कॉन्सेप्ट है, आई बिलीव, इसके अलावा कोई ग्रामेटिकल चीज नहीं है.
ये ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस, तो ये ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस कहाँ से हमने इसको किया? फर्स्ट से
Hmm, कि
The
जो फर्स्ट
construction
लाइन
of
में,
combining
यस
actual memories, that is the
यस
process.
यस ट्रू, जो हमने फर्स्ट लाइन में मेंशन किया, कंस्ट्रक्शन बाय कंबाइनिंग एक्चुअल मेमोरीज, ये वाला प्रोसेस की बात कर रहा है कि ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस.
ओके.
अब यहाँ जो बात कर रहा है वो कह रहा है फॉल्स मेमोरीज आर कंस्ट्रक्टेड, कि वो कैसे बनती हैं? बाय कंबाइनिंग एक्चुअल मेमोरीज विद द कंटेंट ऑफ सजेशन रिसीव फ्रॉम अदर्स. सो एक एक्चुअल मेमोरी है, फिर उसमें सजेशन आई अदर की, वो ऐड कर दी तो वो फॉल्स मेमोरी बन गई, वो एक्चुअल से हट गई. ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस क्या होता है? इंडिविजुअल में फॉरगेट द सोर्स ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन. देयर इज अ क्लासिकल एग्जांपल ऑफ सोर्स कंफ्यूजन. उसको याद नहीं होता कि ओके व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ माय इन्फॉर्मेशन, in which the content and source become disassociated. So his source is there, his content is there, but he's not able to link it. Of course, because we can implant false childhood memory in some individual, in no way implies that all memories that arrive after suggestions are necessarily false. But he's saying that all the time, whenever we take something after suggestion thing, it's not necessarily false. जो उसने फर्स्ट लाइन में दिया है उससे थोड़ा सा डिसएग्री कर रहा है. पुट अनदर वे, ऑल्दो एक्सपेरिमेंटल वर्क ऑन द क्रिएशन ऑफ फॉल्स मेमोरी में रेज अबाउट द वैलिडिटी ऑफ लॉन्ग बरीड मेमोरीज सच एज रिपीटेड ट्रॉमास, इन इट इज़ नो वे डिसअप्रूव दैम. तो कहते हैं कि समटाइम्स it's simply they are going to disagree with the first statement which says that false memories are constructed by combining actual memories with suggestion from others. So it's saying it's not always that when we get suggestion from others or we take something from others, it will make it false. And then he's giving the example of repeated trauma. कि repeated trauma की example देके he's justifying the example. ये थोड़ा conceptual है, grammatical इसमें नहीं है, कोई भी ऐसा clue नहीं है through which we can. I think the only clue is put another way. Yes.
कोई पैराग्राफ ऐसे या रीऑर्डर में ऐसे है कि जिसमें कोई बुक का नाम, टाइटल्स या कुछ कोई ईयर मेंशन हो तो वो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में आएगा, फिर देन सेकंड.
हाँ, जो ईयर का है ना, वो ये है कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ईयर इज़ ऑलवेज लाइक कि पहले 1818 आएगा, फिर 19 आएगा, फिर 20 आएगा. लेकिन टाइम इज़ वन एलिमेंट दैट कैन गिव यू एन आइडिया रिगार्डिंग हाउ यू कैन लिंक थिंग्स. अब वो कैसे लिंक करना है इन योर गिवन कंडीशन, दिस इज समथिंग यू हैव टू सी, लेकिन ये एक तरीका है. नॉर्मली दे टॉक अबाउट द वॉर एंड द आफ्टर वॉर कंडीशंस, तो उस टाइप की चीज़ों में हो सकता है. अब हिस्ट्री में अगर वो ये इवेंट्स बता रहे हो तो वो नॉर्मली यूज डेट्स.
वही मुझे कोई एग्जांपल याद आई थी, जैसे कोई हिस्ट्री डिटेल बता हो या कोई किसी का कोई पर्सनालिटीज के बारे में लिखा हो, तो उसमें ईयर मेंशन हो तो वो क्लू मिल सकता है कि भाई
यस
अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम है ये.
यस, लेकिन उस क्लू को यूज कैसे करना है, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पैसेज एंड इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द आइडिया, द कंटेंट ऑफ द पैसेज, कि वो कहाँ की बात कहाँ को लेके जा रहा है. जैसे मैंने आई हैव गिवन यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ मूवीज कि वो कभी प्रेजेंट से शुरू हो रही होती हैं, कभी वो पास्ट से शुरू हो रही होती हैं, कभी वो फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव दिखा के पास्ट में चले जाते हैं, फिर प्रेजेंट में. सो लिखने का और चीज़ों को प्रेजेंट करने का, दे आर डिफरेंट वेज. यस. So I've already shared the document. You can check all these basic rules.